The BrainPad Pulse was designed and created to be an evolving STEM microcomputer. It evolves with you as your experience and programming knowledge grow and you transition from learning blocks to text-based professional coding. If you're new to programming, blocks are the perfect place to start. Microsoft MakeCode is a browser-based code editor that beginners can use to program the BrainPad Pulse using blocks. Block-based programming is an excellent way to kickstart new coders' excitement and interest in programming. Once the new programmer has mastered the block section of MakeCode, they can peek under the hood at actual JavaScript or Python code. This helps early programmers see and learn what the blocks are actually doing in code. But what if you really want to take your BrainPad Pulse to the next level? Even beyond using MakeCode blocks, JavaScript, or Python. This is where the BrainPad Pulse really shines, and the evolution of your education experience begins. Microsoft Visual Studio is used all over the world by programmers to develop computer programs as well as websites, phone apps, and games. You can also use it to program your BrainPad Pulse and learn C# coding while getting used to the professional interface of Microsoft Visual Studio. All the details of how to get started are found on the BrainPad website. All of this is possible because the BrainPad Pulse is designed as a STEM tool, not a toy. It is made to evolve with you as you learn and travel down the path from getting started and going beyond. BrainPad. Play, code, excel.